All right, so once again, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our math class. Okay, so last week we already started learning multiplying and dividing numbers 2, 5, and 10. So this time we will try to multiplying and dividing numbers by 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So everybody get your math textbook and open on page number 65. Again, open your math textbook and open on page 65. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me just share the page for you, class.
Teacher Maya,
Yes, Otto.
on Thursday, I'm gonna go to the mountain.
Again, on Thursday, you're going to where?
Mountain?
Mountain?
They have a hotel. Yes, they have a hotel there.
What is the name of the place?
I only know on Thai.
Is it part in Kampang Pet, or are you going to travel to other province?
Yeah, I'll go other travel.
What is the province name? Pechabun?
Let me.
Teacher, what's page number?
Pichabun.
Pechabun, okay, page number 65. Page number 65, class. So you're going to Pechabun on Thursday?
Yes, and I'll be learning on the car.
Oh, okay. So that's gonna
Teacher,
be
not that far.
that's gonna be our science class. Okay, let's start, kids. Everybody turn off your microphone, please. Again, open your math textbook on page number 65. So today, we will learn multiplying and dividing numbers by 3 and 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we will start with number 3 and number 4. So look at the picture. How many cherries are there? How many cherries are there?
7.
So in this group, there are
4.
9. So in this group, there are 12. And then on the other group,
Perhaps
12. So 12 and 12. So here, how are we going to multiply, class? It's very easy. So you have 4 groups of 3 cherries. So that is 4 multiplied by 3. So that's 12. So there are 12 cherries. And then in this picture, so there are 3 groups, 1, 2, and 3. 3 groups of 4 cherries. So you just have to multiply by 4. So 3 times 4, that's 12. So it's the same thing. You just have to change the number. So 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. Okay. All right. So next, so let us look at this multiplication table. So we have multiplication tables for 3 and 4. So 1 times 3, that's 3, and then 12 times 3, that's 36. So I think you already know about this multiplication table, I guess. And here is a multiplication table for number 4. So 1 times 4, that's 4, and then up to number 12. So 12 multiplied by 4, that's 48. What about 13 multiplied by 3? What do you think is the answer? $13 multiplied by 3. What do you think? So if 12 multiplied by 3 is 36, what about 39? Okay.
39.
And what about 13 multiplied by 4? What is 13 multiplied by 4?
39. 44.
42.
What is the answer? 13 multiplied by 4?
20.
Oh,
Just kidding, no.
44.
again, please.
22.
22?
42.
32. 42.
52.
52.
40. 50.
52.
Not
Just-
5.
Yeah,
That's
you just have to add 4.
5.
So 48 plus 4, that's 52. All right. So don't forget about that. So now turn your book to page number 66. Page number 66. So here, dividing numbers by 3 and dividing numbers by 4. So let's start with dividing numbers by 3. So we put 24 tomatoes equally into 3 groups. All right. So again, we put the 24 tomatoes into 3 groups. So this one is one group. Second group, first, second group, and then the third group. So for you to divide this by 3, that means each group has 8 tomatoes. So 24 divided by 3 groups. So each group has 8 tomatoes. All right, what about I have 30 tomatoes and I'm gonna divide it by 3 groups. Okay, class. What about I have 30 tomatoes and I will divide it by 3 groups. So how many tomatoes each group?
10. 10.
10. Okay, very good. What about I have 50 tomatoes and I'm going to group each tomatoes by 5. So how many tomatoes in each group?
10.
10. Okay, very good. All right, now let's go to dividing numbers by 4. Okay, dividing numbers by 4. So we have 24 tomatoes and then we group them by 4. So let's say into groups of 4. So we have, wait. Oh, hold on. All right, so we have 24 tomatoes and then we will divide it by 4, group of 4. So how many groups of tomatoes, if we will divide the tomatoes into 4, how many groups can we make? Again, put 24 tomatoes into groups of 4. So let's say this one is first group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is second group. Another 4 tomatoes. And then this one is third group. And then third group has 4 tomatoes. Fourth group, it has also 4 tomatoes. And then fifth group, it has also 4 tomatoes. And then the sixth group, it has also 4 tomatoes. So we put group of 4. We put the 24 tomatoes into groups of 4. So how many groups now of tomatoes are there?
6.
6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's 24 divide 4 is equals to 6. So there are 6 groups of tomatoes. I have another example, class. Let's say I have 25 tomatoes. Okay. And I want to put the 25 tomatoes into groups of 4. I don't know, groups of 5. I am going to put 25 tomatoes into groups of 5. So how many groups will I make?
5.
5 groups. Okay, very good. Another example, I have 12 tomatoes and I put the 12 tomatoes into groups of 3. So how many groups will I make?
4.
4. Okay, very good.
4.
Do you understand, class? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to example number 7. It's still in page number 66. So for example number 7, class, put these toys equally into 3 groups. So how many toys are there in each group? So let's see. So let's group this by 3. So that's
9.
group. And then another
3.
group, that's 2. And another group, which is 3. How many toys are there in each group? So here's the solution. You just have to
3
divide 9 by 3, that's 3. So there are 3 toys in each group. What about I have 10 toys, okay? 10 toys. And I will equally put these toys into 2 groups. 2 groups. How
5.
many toys in each group?
5. 20.
5. So there are 5 toys in each.
5.
Yeah, there are 5 toys in each group. Very good. Now turn your book to page number 67.
67.
So fill in the boxes. So let's try to answer this. So letter A, B, and C. Letter A, 3 times 4. What's the answer?
12.
12. So 3
12.
times 4, that's 12. And for letter B, oh, here. What is the missing number here?
12.
12, okay. And letter B,
9.
9. So 9 multiplied by 4, that's 36. Look at your multiplication table na. And 36 divides 4,
9.
9. And letter C,
9.
9.
1.
And 3 divide?
1.
No, it's 1. I'm sorry. It's not 9. It's 3. No, it's not 9. It's 1. I'm sorry. So 3 multiplied by 1, it's still number 3. It's not 9 now. It's not 9. Okay. And what about here? 3 divide
1.
blank
1.
is equals to 3.
1.
Now for division, it's 1. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Each cone has 3 scoops. Complete the table. What is the missing number here? Each cone has 3 scoops now. Complete the table, number of cones. So let's say if we have 2 cones, how many scoops? That's 3. Okay. So what if we have 9 scoops? How many cones do we have? Or how many cones we need?
6.
No.
3.
3. Okay. What
Three.
if we have 5 cones? How many scoops do we need?
12.
It's 15. You just have to multiply it by 3. Okay. Here we have 9 cones. How many number of scoops do we need?
6.
No?
21.
No?
22.
No. Class, remember, 3 scoops.
28. 10.
No.
3.
No. Multiply 9 by 3.
9.
Multiply 9 by 3.
27. 50.
It's 27.
27.
So for one cone is equivalent to 3 scoops. Okay. So one cone is equivalent to 3 scoops. So if we have 2, that's 6. If we have 3, we have 9 scoops. If we have 5 cones, we have 15 scoops. If we have 9 cones, we have 27 scoops. What about, let's say I have 10 cones. 10 cones. How many scoops do I need? What if I have 10 cones? How many scoops do I need?
5.
What if I have 10 cones? How many scoops?
How many scoops? 2 scoops. 30. 30.
30. 30 scoops, okay? So you just have to multiply it by number 3. All right, so next, we have number 3. So number 3, Jan has 3 crates. She puts 8 bottles in each crate. How many bottles are there altogether in the 3 crates? So this one is crate. So John has 3 crates. For question letter A, how many bottles are there altogether in 3 crates? You just have to multiply 8 by 3. So class, this is the crate, right? One crate has 8 bottles.
24.
8 bottles. So how many
24.
bottles if we have 3 crates? That's
24.
24. Very good. And for letter B, Jan shares the bottles with 3 sisters. How many bottles will each of them get? Again, Jan shares the bottle with her 3 sisters. How many bottles will each of them will get? 8 bottles, right? Oh, there are 24 bottles, right? 24 bottles. And then Jan has 3 sisters. 3 sisters. So how many bottles each of the sister will get? Again, 24 bottles.
22.
No. So we have 24 bottles, right? And then Jan, he has 3 sisters. How many bottles each sister will get? So 24 for one sister. Hold on. One sis.
21.
72.
And then for the second sis. And then for the third sis. So there are 3 sisters. How many
72.
bottles each?
72.
No, you just have to divide 24 by 3. 24 divide 3.
หนูต้องหารเวลาหารนะคะหนูต้องไปดูว่า3คูณอะไรได้24นั่นคือคำตอบลองดูเร็วในตารางก็มีค่ะ
3 คูณ 8
Okay, so the
8.
answer is 8. So again, 24 bottles, and then Jan give 8 bottles to each sister. So the answer is 8. All right. Now, this is the multiplication table for number 3 and number 4. Now, open your book or turn your book to page number 68. 68. Multiplying and dividing numbers by 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we will start with number 6, okay? So here, this is the multiplication table of 6. So from 1 up to 12. What about, let's say, 13 multiplied by 6? What do you think? So we have 12 multiplied by 6, that's 72. So what if I have 13 multiplied by 6? What do you think?
78.
78, very good. So you just have to add 6. 72 plus 6, that's 78, okay. Now let's proceed to example number 8. So we have a problem here. Example number 8, can you read, Kampi, can you read example number 8, please?
Okay.
Comfy, are you there?
Yeah, and there.
All right, so read example number 8.
Mint has 42
Strawberries.
strawberries. She
Puts
puts 6 strawberries on
each plate.
each plate. How many plates does
Plates.
Mint need?
All right, so Mint has 42 strawberries. She puts 6 strawberries on each plate. How many plates does Mint need? So here's the solution, class. So first is 42 strawberries, right? And then she put 6 strawberries on each plate. So we can use this dot array. All right. So the question is, how many plates does Mint need? So all we have to do is just to divide 42 by 6. So that means she needs 7 plates. And each plate has 6 strawberries. Coach Iman, do you understand? Again, Mint has 6 or 42 strawberries, right? And then she puts 6 strawberries on each plate. How many plates does Mint need? So the solution is you just have to divide 42, divide 6. So that is 7. So the answer is she needs 7 plates and each plate has 6 strawberries, just like this one. So here 6 and here is 7. So we can use this dot array. All right, I will give you another example. What if I have 36 strawberries, class, and I am going to put 6 strawberries on each plate. So how many plates do I need? So I have 36 strawberries and I will put 6 strawberries on each plate. How many plates do I need?
6.
6 plates. All right. What about, good job. What about I have 50 strawberries and I want to put 10 strawberries on each plate. So how many plates do I need? 5 plates. Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed to multiplying numbers by 7. Page number 69. So let us look at this multiplication table of 7. So the last one we have 12 multiplied by 7. That's 84. What about 13 multiplied by 7 is equals to what? Thirteen multiplied by 7. What do you think?
One.
90?
1.
91. Very good. What about 14 multiply by 7.
98.
98, very good. All right, so don't forget that multiplication table. Okay, here, example number 9. Akai, can you read example number 9, please? This one?
Sean has 63 cupcakes. He puts 7 cupcakes into each box. How many boxes dots
Does.
he need? Dots he need?
All right, thank you, Pakai. So let me read one more time. Chan has 63 cupcakes and he puts 7 cupcakes into each box. How many boxes does he need? So here's the solution. First is we have to write number 63. And then we will use divide now, 7, which is the number of cupcakes into each box. So the question is, how many boxes does he need? So the answer is 9. So he needs 9 boxes, and each box has 7 cupcakes, okay? Just like this dot array class. So we have 9 boxes, right? And each boxes has 7 cupcakes, just like this one. 9, and then here is 7.
63.
All right, so another example. Let's say I have 49 cupcakes, and I want to put 7 cupcakes in each box. So how many boxes do I need if I have 49 cupcakes?
7.
So I need 7 boxes. Okay. What about I have 56 boxes of cupcakes and I want to put 7 cupcakes in each box? How many boxes do I need?
8.
8 boxes. Okay, very good. What about I have 21 cupcakes and I want to put 7 cupcakes into each box? How many boxes do I need?
3.
3. Okay, very good. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
All right. So now let's proceed to page number 70. Multiplying and dividing by 8. So here is the multiplication table for number 8. So 1 times 8, that's 8. And then 12 times 8, that's 96. So let's say 13 multiply by 8. What do you think is the answer?
$104.
Very good. So that's 104. What about 14 multiply by 8?
112.
Very good, 112. So don't forget, this is the multiplication table for number 8. All right, so now let's proceed to example number 10. Mimo, can you read example number 10, please?
64 chairs. She put 8 chairs into each box. How many boxes
Boxes.
she need?
Boxes.
What boxes do she need?
Okay, thank you, Nemo. All right, so I'm gonna read one more time. A baker baked 64 tarts. She puts 8 tarts into each box. How many boxes will she need? So here's the solution. We can also use the dot array, okay? But the simplest way is to write 64 and then divide it by 8. So the baker needs 8 boxes, and each box has 8 tarts. Okay, let's say I have 72 tarts. I have 72 tarts, and I will put 8 tarts in each boxes. How many boxes do I need?
9.
9. Okay, very good. What about I have 56 tarts, and I want to put 8 tarts in each box. How many boxes do I need?
8. 7.
7. Okay, very good. So what about I have 48 tarts, and I am going to put 8 tarts in each box. How many boxes do I need?
6.
6 boxes. Okay, I have 18. I have 18 tarts. I have 18 tarts, and I want to put 8 tarts in each box. How many boxes do I need? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, 16. I'm sorry, 16 tarts, and I'm going to put 8 tarts in each box. So how many boxes do I need? 2. All right.
2.
Good job. Now let's proceed to page number 71. Multiplying and dividing number by 9. All right, so for multiplication class, this is the table for number 9. So 1 times 9, that's 9, up until 12. So 12 multiplied by 9, that's 108. What about 13? Multiply by 9.
$107.
Again, Nemo?
117.
17, Lo? 117. 117. Michai, 117. It's 117. Okay? 117. All right, what about, let's say, 14 multiplied by 9?
126.
Very good. So that's 126. All right, so don't forget the multiplication table of number 9. Now let's proceed to, hold on. Let's proceed to example number 11. Page number 71. Brave, can you read example number 11?
Forest have 108 rows. She
Roses.
put
How many roses?
rose. She put 9 roses into it.
Bouquet.
Bouquet. How many bouquets will she have?
Okay, thank you. So let me read one more time. A florist has 108 roses and she puts 9 roses into each bouquet. How many bouquets will she have? So first and foremost, we have to write the number of roses, which is 108. And then she puts 9 roses into each bouquet. So we will divide it by 9. So how many bouquets will she have? So that's 108 divided by 9. So that equals to 12. So the florist will have 12 bouquets and each bouquet has 9 roses. All right, let's say I have 81 roses. And then I am going to put 9 roses in each bouquet. How many bouquets?
721. 721. 9.
No,
9.
it's 9.
9.
It's 9, okay? All right, what about I have 72 roses and I will put 9 roses in each bouquet. How many bouquets will I have?
8.
That's 8, okay. And what if I have 63 roses? 63 roses. And I am planning to put 9 roses in each bouquet. How many bouquets do I need? Or will I have?
7.
7. Okay, very good. All right, so I think you already understand multiplying and dividing numbers by 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, class, turn your book to page number 72. Oh, this one is a little bit difficult. Do you know how to do this? Have you ever tried to do multiplication using your fingers?
No.
Okay, I will show it to you, class. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, so we have 10 fingers, right? So we have 10 fingers. So if we multiply numbers, so this one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So each finger is equivalent to 10, okay? So let's say 8 multiplied by 9. So all you have to do is, this one is 6. This one is 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? So let's say 8 multiplied by 7. So 8, this one is 8, right? And then you just have to put or sing the 2 finger. So 8, right? And then 7. So you just have to do that. Now you have to add the fingers down. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50. And we still have 2 left, 2 fingers here and then 3 fingers here. You just have to multiply this one. 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 3. That's 6, right? So we already have the numbers down. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 plus 6. So that's 56. So 8 multiplied by 7. So that's 56. This one is very difficult class to teach online. I will teach you when you get back in school, okay? All right, so now let's try to answer page number 73. This one. Page number 73, fill in the boxes. Number 1, we have A, B, C, and D. 6 multiplied by 3. For letter A, fill in the boxes. This is on page number 73. Six multiplied by 3, class. What's the answer?
18.
Okay, very good. That's 18. And then blank divides 6. What is the missing number here? 18. Okay. Letter B. Blank multiplied by 7 equals 35. 5. Okay. 35 divide blank equals 7. 5. All right. 8 multiplied by blank equals 16.
2.
2. And 16 divide 8 equals
2.
2 and 2.
And letter D. 9 multiplied blank equals 45.
5.
5. 45 divide blank equals 9.
5.
5.
Okay, very good. Now, number 2. For multiplication and division sentences. Let's try this one now. 8 multiply what?
9.
9 equals
72.
72. And then here for division.
72.
72
9.
divide 8 equals
8.
9. Or you can also
9.
say 72 divide 9, that's 8. Up to you now. Here, what about here?
7.
Okay.
Oh, 6.
6 and then
42.
42. Okay. Next.
42.
Okay, divide
7.
7.
7.
6.
6. Okay. Number 3. Nor has 81 jelly cups. She wants to put them into pockets of 9. How many pockets will she have? So first is we have to put the jelly, number of jelly, which is 81. And then she wants
9.
pockets of 9. So how many pockets will she have?
9.
9, very good. So that's 9 multiplied by 9, that's 81. All right, number 4. A farmer has 90 pumpkins in his farm. There are 9 pumpkins in each row. How many rows of pumpkins does he have? So first is we have to write the number of pumpkins.
9.
19.
90.
19.
9 and then
9.
On
And
10.
9.
how many
10.
rows?
10.
10.
10, very good. So let's check 10 times 9, that's 90.
90.
Okay, so class, I think that's all for today. And for your homework, I will send it or I will post it in our line group, okay?
Okay.
Because some of you doesn't have the workbook yet, so I will just post it in Google Classroom. All right, thank you, students.
Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
นักเรียนไปฝึกท่อง